All right, guys, for example, we are on this trade. If you want to buy and sell, this is that $100 account we opened, that $100 demo account we registered with. So if you want to do a buy and a sell, there is no analysis here. I'm just showing you how to buy and sell. Okay, so this is Euro JPY on top. See Euro JPY on top. If you tap it, you see new order, you see open chart. So just click on open chart, look at the chart. The chart will load. You see, this is how the chart looks like. Anyway, let me just remove these guys first. Let me remove the indicator that is there. Sorry. Now I just remove, there's a line that looks like a snake, and that's a moving average. Okay, I'll come to that. Let me just remove that, then remove this block sign here. Okay, right. So if you want to buy, let's just do the buying and selling first, then maybe another time we'll now check how to add indicators and how to navigate around it. So for example, CHF JPY, I'm still on this trade. Okay, I'm still on this trade currently. I'm on this trade here. Let me log into the other account and show you. I'm still on this trade. Okay, see the trade. I'm still running this one. So let us take this trade again. Okay, so if you want to buy this trade, you can either click this plus sign here, the last plus sign. You can just tap it like this. You see sell, you see buy. So you reduce the lot size. For example, I cannot risk 0.20 here, so I have to change it. You see where my cursor is, I have to change it. Okay, change it to maybe 0.02. okay, so it means I'm risking 20 cents. Sorry, I'm risking 2 cents on this trade. Okay, 2 cents. All right, on this particular trade, because $1 one lot size is $10. Are you understanding? One lot size is $10. 0.10 is $1. 0.01 is 10 cents. Okay, so this is 20 cents. 0.02 is 20 cents I am risking on this trade. So if I click sell, okay, they have the dot. You see that when I opened it was minus 0.20 something. Okay, it's supposed to be 0.20, but they are removing the spread also. So if you want to add another cell, you can just click it again and add another cell. Place cell, this order is open, you now click done. Or another way, let's use another pair now. Another way you can do buy and sell is, for example, let's look at GBP USD and see what the market is doing. Okay, let me look at Euro JPY. This one I want to buy this pair. So another way you can buy is Euro JPY. Just click it, you see new order. Just click the new order. You see it's the same thing. So just click buy. Okay, order is open. You see that Euro JPY just bought. Then let me click another. Let me do another one and buy again. You see. So you are surprised that I am selling CHF JPY. I am buying Euro JPY. That one is don't worry. As we go ahead, you will know the reason. Sometimes it's based on analysis. So you see, all your trade must open in red. You cannot open your trade and it is blue from the beginning. So you are going to incur loss from the beginning, because as you open it, they are deducting their spread money, and then also the trade must want to go against you a bit, okay, before it turns into profit. So that is basically how to buy and sell. Okay, so now that I have bought this one, I bought Euro JPY, so I want to set, that's what I taught you. Okay, let me let me record again. This video is long.